In the last news flash, we'll explore more transformative changes taking place in the textile machinery industry. The four key themes we've explored over the course of ITMA 2023 are advanced materials, automation and the digital future, innovative technologies, and perhaps most importantly, sustainability and circularity. Has the exhibition successfully showcased the developments of these themes? Let's check it out. So I'm now joined by Andre Imhoff, CEO of Altaifa Solutions. What key themes have you noticed across the course of ITMA 2023?
Everyone knows recycling is a big presence, but what is different this time is we need to walk the talk. So to have good ideas is something, but now it turns into execution. So we're going to see airlay machines here, which are very flexible when it comes to recycling. It's very good when it comes to cleaning. Recycling creates a lot of dust. And of course, at the end of the day, economy always wins. And this is what we're going to take care about it. And if you allow me, there is another topic, is digitalization. All the services, they go more online. People want to have easy access, fast access, and that's going to be received very good so far.
Well, we are now back in Startup Valley and I'm joined by the Head of Application and Sustainability from Tree to Textile. Could you tell me, what's Tree to Textile all about?
Yeah, sure. We are a Swedish-based fiber technology development company, and we have developed a new generation of man-made cellulosic fiber, meaning that it's a fiber with low environmental footprint and at a low cost, so that we can scale it to the scale needed in the textile industry today.
And how does your initiative tie into other developments that are happening at the moment in Scandinavia?
Yeah, in the Scandinavia, is a really exciting environment for innovations today. So we are in fiber spinning, but there are lots of other initiatives as well going upstream. There are the pulp developers enabling using of recycled textiles in the value chain. Or going downstream, there are others in printing, on dyeing and embroideries. So really tie into the different parts of the value chain or complementing each other.
So I'm joined now by Kurt Kitka from AII. Now, I wonder if you could tell me, why are investors looking towards the textile industry of the near future?
Yeah, I really think it's because it's where consumer interests lie. The general consumer is interested about knowing where their products are made and ensuring that the impacts of those products aren't having a negative effect on the world in which we live in. With that, I think there's a lot of interest in the technology and the innovation that's going to drive the future of this industry.
I'm joined now by Amina from the Sustainable Apparel Coalition, and I wonder if you could tell me, how important is cross-industry collaboration in terms of achieving sustainability goals?
Yeah, cross-industry collaboration is incredibly important. In fact, it's crucial to achieving the goals that the industry has set. So at the Sustainable Apparel Coalition, we've actually been working with brands, retailers, and manufacturers across the entire value chain to achieve both social and environmental progress. Without everybody being involved and engaged, these types of goals and this progress will not happen.
And let's talk about 30 by 30. What is it, and what does that mean for the textiles industry?
Sure. So 30 by 30 are goals that were set at COP15 last year, and it means protecting or conserving 30% of nature by 2030. Given the huge impact that the textile industry has, both from a water, chemicals, and a biodiversity perspective, it is crucial that we have international goals that are aligned so that the industry knows exactly what we're doing and where we're going and how we're going to achieve these targets together.
Well, I'm thrilled to be joined now by Paolo Olivo, CEO of Technology. And I wonder if you could start by telling us, what are the key benefits of needle punching technology?
Okay, the needle punching technology is a technology that uses the needle to bond the fabric. And it is a technology that uses a very low electric consumption. And today it is one of the most challenge that we are trying to do. We have developed a new kind of technology that can produce a very high quality of the non-woven using the lowest energy consumption on the market, and it is the future for us.
So that's it. Our news flashes have come to an end. ITMA 2023 has been full of potential solutions to the problems we currently face. And we're only just at the start of what's possible. Where will you be in 2027? The world could be a very different place by then, and the global textile industry will certainly have made further gains. It will be smarter and more sustainable, we hope. But what's for sure is that ITMA will be back in Hanover in 4 years' time. It's an ongoing story. So, until the next chapter.